The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga emotionally returned to his childhood school on Saturday, a place rich of history of his personal journey and Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. Sanapina mashoko panguva inoi vanhu vobuda kutaura mashoko vachiti panguva inoi general havasi aiwa stable, panguva inoi is volatile. Panapa return back to his former school. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mudani pamchenzi. He visited to Mount St. Mary's Mission School in Weza, where he and his late coup ally, Air Chief Marshal Ferenc once studied, came against the backdrop of intensifying political tensions between Chiwenga and the president. Chiwenga attended a Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Father Celestino Magwenzi, a former student of the mission school, who was celebrating his ordination as the Roman Catholic priest. For the Vice President, however, the occasion was more than a religious gathering. It was a symbolic homecoming to the site where he and his comrades made the fateful decision to abandon their studies and join the Liberation War. While Chiwenga, Shiri, and Huchu survived the war and later occupied high-ranking positions in government and the military, Mandiriza is believed to have perished in the struggle. His visit to Mount St. Mary's Mission School, therefore, takes on a symbolic significance. It is not just a personal reflection on the past, but also a rekindling of the fighting spirit that once propelled him into the liberation struggle. Whether he can muster enough political and military leverage to challenge Mnangagwa remains to be seen, but the battle lines within Zimbabwe's power corridors are clearly drawn. Tomaswa mudani panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa kutina back kuchikoro aiwa chinari kwawakanoita decision aiwa yekuda kunorwira nyika kana kusunungura nyika. Vanhu vobuda kutaura mashoko vachiti aiwa panguva ino you want to regain aiwa that spirit yekuya achifatira nyika aiwa achistopa corruption achistopa nepotism. Nezvo zviri kuitika. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda kunesection medu dzemafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, don't the bell icon.